Hi guys, this is Jo and welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. Eating today's dish to all the Telugu people across the world, especially from Hyderabad, my city. The soul food of every Telugu person is Pappu Aloo Fry and Mamadikai Pachadi. Every Telugu Amama and Amma has made you eat this dish like every single day of your life, right? Especially Pappu, which is made every day in my house, irrespective of what the second dish would be. Pappu would be there as a staple. Create the same taste with a little bit of twist. Let's look at the ingredients and let's get started, okay? Ingredients. This is the French lentils and this is the whole wheat to make the roti, and spring onions. Require a cup of grated ginger garlic, 1 cup of dates. This is the mango pickle, half slice of lemon, and 4 to 5 green chilies as per your spice tolerance, and a fistful of curry leaves, 1 cup of coriander leaves, 1 cup of mint leaves, and 1 cup of celery, grated celery, and maybe 4 tablespoons of besan or the chickpea flour, and 1 cup of arugula leaves for the salad, and 1 cup of juliennes of the bell peppers, and the Indian masala box, which has all the masalas. While the lentils are cooking in the cooker for at least 10 minutes, so I'll put 1 spoon of ghee, maybe a little bit of rye, a little bit of jeera, 3 to 4 leaves of curry leaves, I'll add some spring onions, it's very good to add a little bit of salt at this point so that the onions cook faster, the spring onions. So salt actually sweats the vegetables, so that's how a lot of water comes out of the vegetables and they cook way faster. The spring onions are slightly soft. Ahead and add half a cup of celery and cook it thoroughly. It's very important to cook these two well. 2 spoonful or maybe 1.5 cup of lentils. The consistency of this filling should be a little bit on the drier side. Otherwise, it's very difficult to make the paratha. Lentil stuffing is almost done. For the potato mixture, I'll add 1 spoon of coconut oil. I'll add mustard seeds, a little bit of cumin seeds, add in the curry leaves and the spring onions, the grated ginger garlic. Add some salt as per the taste, turmeric powder, dhania powder. To this you can add some, maybe half a spoon of black pepper powder. Now you can see the mixture is very well cooked. At this point, please go ahead and add the boiled potatoes. And while you're stirring, just keep mashing the potatoes. Voila, this is ready. Let's keep this aside. So now we're making the final element of this dish, that is the salad. Peppers, the leaves, which has a slightly minty flavor, so which is very tasty, and the mango pickle. The mango pickle into the salad, and this is how it looks, guys. The final 4 elements of the dish: atta, And this is the stuffing, the dal stuffing that's going to go inside the paratha. And this is the aloo masala or the potato masala and the salad. Start making the paratha, guys. Roll the atta and keep them aside. Take one piece of the atta, just with your free hand and a rolling pin, just flatten it a palm and add how much of a stuffing you think would be required for. And do the same to all rest of the. Dust some powder onto this and roll it. It's okay if your stuffing is coming out a little bit here and there, it's fine. Yeah, there you go, it's ready. Brush the ghee on the pan, on a hot pan. The paratha, place the paratha on it. Once it's cooked like this, flip it and cook the other side as well thoroughly. Look at this one now. It's so thoroughly cooked. At this point, go ahead and add your aloo masala. Just take a blob with your spoon and spread it on the paratha like this. Take a blob of aloo and spread it. Besan. This is chickpea flour. Added some water, a little bit of salt to taste, and a little bit of turmeric for color. And now, at this point, just add the besan to this. On top of add a layer of besan on top of the potatoes. And spread it evenly. Try to spread as evenly as you can. And that's it. So this is how it looks once the besan is cooked, guys. The chutney that we made with mint, coriander, green chilies, lemon juice, salt, just add this goodness on this one. Just pour it. It's a little liquidy, but that's exactly how I like it. So you can transfer this paratha to the plate now. Last but not the least, we have the salad. Just put this baby on this side. Like that. Dish is finally ready.